Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock private browsing in Safari web browser of iPhone smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the settings and now just scroll down below, and now you will see here Safari. Just tap on it, just scroll down below. Now here you will see one option written require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Just enable this option. Now just minimize it, and now let us open the Safari web browser, and now just tap and hold on the right bottom icon. Now you will see here new private tab, right? Just tap on it. Now the private browsing is enabled. So now firstly let me show you, after enabling the private browsing, if you minimize this and if you reopen this, the Face ID will not work. But if you open one website, say I will just open a Google website, right? Just to give you an example. Now if I minimize it and if I try to reopen, now you can see it's asking for a Face ID. So in order to unlock this private browsing, I need to use my Face ID. So let me click on this try Face ID again. So now you can see it gets unlocked. And if you want to move back to the default browsing, then just tap on this icon on the right bottom corner again, and now you will see here the start page. Just tap on it. Now you will move back to the default browsing. So now you might be thinking if I can disable this face unlock just by going to the settings. So let me show you. So now if I try to disable this option by going in the settings, so you can see it needs a Face ID to disable this option also. So only the owner will be able to disable these options. So it's a very good features. So let me unlock it now. So by using this method, you can easily lock private browsing in Safari web browser of iPhone smartphone very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.